Welcome to Math and Me and Home of Math. If we divide 2x cube minus x square minus 18x plus 10 by 2x minus 1, what will be the remainder? So x cube 2x cube minus x square minus 18x plus 10 is a dividend. And the divisor is what? 2x minus 1. We make a straight line little short, so this one and this one. Now look, our first target, we have to find out how become 2x cube. So if here we write only x square, look, x square into 2x, it means 2x cube. Okay, and now look, x square minus 1, it means minus x square. So as per rule, we subtract, here is minus and this one is plus, so this one and this one out. So a remainder is minus 18x plus 10. Now what can we do? Look, here is, if we multiply by 9, so 9 times 2, it means 18. Here is minus 9, so sign is minus, and here is x, we can write here x. Here is minus and minus, it's become plus. 9 times 1, it means 9. So here is plus and here is minus. So minus 18x and plus 18x out, plus 10 minus 9, the answer is 1. Actually this is not answer, this one is quotient. Look, and this one is remainder. Okay, so what will be the remainder? Answer is what? 1. Hope you understand this one. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.